Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to this Figma template convert as a HTML CSS. Okay, very simple. This one I am going to convert into the HTML CSS using the advanced CSS style which is called as a Flexbox. That is a very easy stuff to code it. Okay, so let's convert this into the HTML CSS as a web page. Look like this way. Okay, so how to do these things? Very simple. Right now, first I'm going to go to open a new HTML document. So I'm going to put it this one. I already have an index page, so I'm going to home.html. Here in VS Code, the shift or shift key down and press 1. You can get it masked and import the HTML file. Now here what I'm going to do is here. Now here what I'm going to do is first I'm going to have a body tag. Here I'm going to make the document. So here what I'm going to do is first you have to understand of your project. So this is you can say this is your component. This is your first one. You can see this is aligned at the center screen. This is also the align at the center screen. So here this is it's called as a links. This is called as a your website name. So how to do the thing is first I'm going to make this simply. We have to make the two div tags. First div tag. This div tag I'm going to call as class. We have to make it as logo. Go ahead. Second section, copy this same thing, paste it below. Links. That's it. Like it. Format of it. Simple. Now here, this one, what you're going to do is first logo section, I want to put the text as a tutors file. That's it. That's it. Links, I'm going to make it as, okay, first we have to do the logo section. Now here, first go to the, inside the head tag, go to the style, open and close the bracket. Style, first one I'm going to go to body, you have to type it here, margin 0, padding 0. After that, logo, this is a logo. First you have to write it as a color. You have to first you have to do this logo. We have to need to be the center. Okay, so first we have to make it as display flags. Implement the flags. Okay, we have to go along with the flags. It's very simple to make the web page. After that, we have to this logo make it as center of the screen. You know, the center of the screen. How to make the center? Simply in the Flexbox we have a property called justify content center, which is a horizontally center. So vertically center means alignment of center. Okay, Control S to save, right click and open with the live server. Okay, it is center successfully, but I don't have a padding, so I want to set the padding as well. I'm going to set padding. Let's do the padding only. Padding top 50 pixels. That would be fine. Here, simply 50 pixel top. We have give the padding. Very simple. It's a very simple. Okay, very simple way we have to do the padding. Now what I'm going to do is after that, we have to do the padding top. Everything is fine. Now I want to increase the size of the font. Font size I want to increase it 2.5 rem, and font family sans serif. Control S to save 2.5 and bring back to the application. Here it's come at the center of the screen, but I don't have this background color. So that background color I have got it this color. I get this color. You have to get this color. Click on that. The color is this color I want to get it. So you can get the color of the Figma as well. This you design this in Figma. I already did it this one as a Figma. Okay, this is the color of the Figma. You can get the color of the Figma. This one. This is the color code. You have to copy this color. Okay, this color code. Okay, so I already copied this one. Here you already copied this color. I'm going to bring back to your application. You have to give that background color, this color. So you have to put that as sign in front of that color. Then only the color should be applied. After that, color property we have to apply, which is a background color. Foreground color will be white. So you write white. That's it. Control S to save and open it. Here it's coming successful. It's coming success. Okay, so let's the padding, we have to arrange this one as a padding 50 mean left, top, left, bottom, all things we have to get as 50. Then it's good. Okay, it looks good. Perfect. Now it's perfect. If you feel a little bit small, okay, now it's perfect. Now what I'm going to, if you want to increase the size, you can increase that. That's no problem. That font as well. So okay. Now the link section. We have a link. You have to have a div dot class. You have to write div. You have to type div. You have to type div home. Alignment as about services conductors. Okay, this is a link section. Link section also we have typed here as links display flags. Here also we have to justify content. We have to make it as center. Vertically we have center. Okay. After that, you can see open up and check. Here it's coming like this. Now what you are going to do is I want to get a background as well. So background, what's the color of the background color? This one, this color. So get the color. This is a color code. What's the color you're getting? Background color. Put that color code along with the color code. It's coming. Okay, now it's center. After that, what I'm going to do is everything should be fine. Now I want to do the another thing is we have to do the font size. Let's give as this one as a 4.5 RAM. It would be enough. Font family, sans serif. You have to give 1 RAM. It will be fine. Look at this conductors. It will be fine. Okay, it will be fine, but I need a gap in between the letters of gap. I want to give 100 pixel. Now let's check it. Here it's coming. So you write Java, PHP, Python, ASP. It's coming successful. Now we need a, here also we need a padding. Padding we need only 20 pixel, it's enough. Now it's okay. Very simple. You can see it's very simple. Okay, if you want to add another more process, you have right here web development. Okay, very simple. This is how we make the website very simple way. Okay, it is very simple. This is how we have made the website. Okay, thank you for watching.